Who's got the jump? It's the jumping Jay. Jonah, who's got the jump?
He reminds me of Devin. I can see Devin totally
He
doing
totally does. That's my nephew. How are you, little boy?
Are you all done, Jacob?
Yeah. He's so funny. He starts laughing. He's like,
Yeah, but he sounds just like him when he laughs.
He is, yeah, really contagious. He looks
Neil.
like a little elf.
Oh,
Careful, careful, no. Those things are sharp, honey.
Jacob, you want to jump?
Thank you.
Want to jump?
Jonah, jump really high in that circle.
Jump, buddy.
He likes to run. I'm going.
That was good. He was getting the timing down. He didn't.
Where are you going? I don't know, but I'm going fast. Look at his face.
Jonah, you run faster than your daddy
It's
ever
true.
did. I'll tell you that.
We'll get you a baton and get you in your way. Jonah, jump in that circle. Show Jacob how to jump on the circle. Jump, Jacob!
Jump, Jacob!
It's fun to run around in there, huh, Jonah? Jonah, do your tricks.
Yeah.
That's Abby's trick. That's a... Show us your trick, Abby.